Hi YouTube, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are mostly welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for checking me out again. Well, we gotta say thank you to LENSMART for sending me these glasses. We are doing a little haul from LENSMART. I'm not gonna let this video be too long, okay, so you guys can watch. And also don't forget to check the description box. I'll link everything for you guys. LENSMART is a very cheap glasses, okay? I'm one that wear glasses. Like right now, my new prescription is like really thick. Your girl can barely see shit. Not like I can see, but it's blurry. You see the difference? Their glasses range from $5, $10. The highest you can find their website, I think it's like maybe $50. They'll be able to put your prescription in the glasses, and bam, you are looking like $1 million. They have some good stylish glasses, man. They are for men, they are for women, they are for kids. They also have sunglasses that is really cheap and really affordable, and it is very stylish. So if you want to know more about LENSMART, go ahead and click the link in my description box. All the glasses I'm going to put on today will also be in there also. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, y'all, they sent me 5 glasses. My prescription is already in here, so it's pretty easy. Like I said, send them your prescription and be able to put it in for you. Cheap, affordable. Y'all know glasses. I know we all want to wear designer, okay? You want to wear designer, but designer can't break. Your $600. I told you guys in my last glasses haul, I spent $600 on a pair of glasses. And all these 5 pair, is it 5 or 6? 5 pair of glasses cost me less than $100. $100, okay? The rest of the money I could just, go shopping, make myself look cute with my glasses. Don't mind me, don't pay me no mind, okay? But I have 5 pairs of glasses for you guys to try on, so let's get into it without taking too much of our time. This is how their packaging comes. It has LENSMART on it, on cardboard right over here. It comes open, and then it comes with your glasses case. It looks like this. You also have LENSMART, and inside it comes with your cleaning cloth, instruction for you to join a group, and how to take care of your glasses. So here it is right here. So let me show you guys my first pair, and they also come in this little protective plastic right here. Ooh, this is looking really cute. Oh, really nice. Y'all see this? I love this. I haven't opened it. I don't even remember what I ordered. So this is a clay. I love clay. I love clay glasses like this. It's pretty sleek and pretty chic. You wear with anything. It has a wire over here. You guys can see it's curved, and a black protective thing at the back. And it also have a gold. It also have a gold accent right over there. Let's see what we got going on here, baby. Suki now. Oh, y'all see that? Classy, cute, mature, and grown. Like really cute, really nice, and affordable. Okay, this is the second one, also in the blue glass case. Okay, this is funky. This is funky. You guys can see it. It's round. It looks like an infinity sign. It has a white accent right. You got white accent right here going like an infinity sign, and it has a clear on the top right here, and also at the bottom right over here. Also a wired frame and a clear back thingy right over there. Let's see what this is looking like. Ooh, silky now. Y'all see that? I like this though. I've never put a circle frame on, like a round frame. I've never put that on before, but this is not bad on your girl. Like, they have this in different colors. You guys will see it on the screen right over here, where you guys will see every glasses I put on. You guys will see what it looks like right here on the side. So yeah, on me, I have a round face, so with the round glasses, with the round frame, I didn't know it was gonna look cute, but girl, you look good. You look good, girl. I like it. The frame is very classy, very cute, very affordable also. I like it. Let me know what you guys think about all these glasses and which one is your favorite, and if you are copying any one of them. Okay guys, this is the next one. This one right here, I don't even know if I picked this one up or she just sent it to me, because she said pick 3 and I'll pick 2. So this right here is another like a goggle looking frame right over here. It's also clear, and wire frame right over here, clear. Okay. All right, let's put this alien one on. See what we got. Dang, girl. Damn, girl. Like, damn, girl. Okay, y'all, this is this one. Oh, I also like this. I like the big frame that it has. Yeah. Oh, so cute. I like this also, but I like the first one is still my favorite, but I still like this also. I like it. It's different, you know. It's good to get out of your comfort zone sometimes. I just love it. Like, it is everything and some. Because I work in front of a computer a lot, so my glasses help me. They also have a Blu-ray glasses, so you'll be able to protect you. If you don't want a prescription in your glasses, they could also do that. So don't worry. They got everything for everybody. Alright guys, this is the 4th one I have over here. This I'll say is more of a traditional eyeglasses that everybody wear. Really cute, really nice, also clear. I feel like it looks like the first one that I show you guys, but it's very, very different. This one doesn't have any wire, anything right here. It's just plain, and it's also a wire frame right over here. So let's pop this joint on and see where we are. Yes, honey. I look like a mom with this one. I am a mom, by the way, but I look like a mama with this glass, with this frame on right here. It's cute. I like it though. Put this down a little bit. Okay, y'all can see it better. I really like this. It's really cute. It's really nice, classy, beautiful frame. Like I said, they are all very affordable. They're not expensive, so you can switch up your style every day. If you want to be different Monday through Friday, you don't want to look the same, you could buy 10, you could buy 20, you could buy 30 for a price of 2 from a regular prescription, from a regular eye doctor office. So this is really, really nice. I like this. Okay guys, this is the last one that I got, and it looks like this. Oh, it's so cute and so different. Like, it has studs. Okay, focus now, come on. It has studs. Let's see, let me get a little closer. Like, you can see, it has studs right here. Oh my days. A lady up here called Nikki, I'll tag her in this video. Nikki has this Platinum D. She has these glasses on, and I'm like, I must get it if I ever gotta go to LENSMART. And they contacted me to send me something. I was like, oh yeah, I must get these glasses. So I got it. Hey Nikki, I got this because of you, Platinum D, okay? So this is what it looks like. It is really cute. This comes in multicolor. I think it has a black also, and this one right, and it has, yeah, multicolor, black, a black frame, and this, I think y'all will see it on the screen right over here. Let's see what it looks like on me. Okay, come on. Oh baby, oh my days, y'all see that? Like, classy, lightweight, really cute. It's not resting on your face and all that good stuff. Really, really nice. It has a big, like a big jewel stud thingy right over here. It has studs going all the way down here, and this part is just nothing here. So freaking cute. So freaking cute. I love it. It's classy, it's cute, it's beautiful. Like, you cannot tell me otherwise that this ain't it right here. This and the first one, those are my 2 favorite. I love it. It's really cute. Alright guys, that brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up, and don't forget to check LENSMART out. If I have a coupon code, it will definitely be on the screen or also in the description box, so don't forget to check it out also. Alright guys, let me know which of this is your favorite and which one of it you are going to cop for yourself if you wear glasses. And even if you don't wear glasses, you don't have to put your prescription in. If you just like the aesthetics of wearing glasses, you could also get a frame from LENSMART. Thank you again to LENSMART for sending me these glasses. Alright guys, until next time, remember to live your life like no one is watching, because God got your back. Mwah!